Bring in our next speaker. A few minutes late, but Djordje, I'd like to invite you, Djordje Mitric. He's the territory manager of Snap One and Control4 after the merger. So welcome to the panel, and I'll leave it to you.
So thank you for having me. I will talk about challenges of cross-integration within smart homes. So let me tell you first a few words about the company. We are leading provider of automation and networking systems for homes and businesses. We offer a personalized and unified smart home system to control every single connected devices in the home. Lighting, audio and video, all comfort products, intercom, security, and many others. We also made amazing operating system that can connect all the technology in the home. So it can be managed by one and very powerful, easy to use or user-friendly application. Additionally, our operating system works very well with third-party devices. So we provide to the families option to choose which brand they like for TV or media player or even speaker. So everything can be integrated under one system. So with Control4, technology integration possibilities becomes almost endless. Control4 merged with a company called SnapAV in 2019. Since then, we are one company. Our name today is Snap One. So beside Control4 as a brand, we have 12 other brands available worldwide, and you can see them here on this slide. For those who do not know, CPRO is organization in US. They are following this industry. They're following about new products, about new solutions, but also they do different analysis. Brand analysis is one of the biggest. They talk with system integrators, with custom installers. They get feedback from them, which products they use, how they are satisfied with the features, with the warranty, with the support, with communication with manufacturer. They collect all data and then make analysis of the brand leaders each and every year. I'm very proud to say that we are #1 and brand leader in the whole house automation and integration for the last 6 years. Beside this category, there is around 20 more categories where we are #1 or #2. You can see on the right side of this slide, you can see some of them. So people like to use our universal remote or our tablets to control the whole house. That is the whole point. One interface for the whole house. Today, every project starts with lighting and HVAC control, but there are many other connected products in the same project. And we can talk about homes and businesses, it is the same thing. Start with lighting, but there are so many other products in the same project. So our mission is to enable every home and every business to be smart, but also connected under one platform. How we can do that? By bringing together the best people, the best partners in this industry with the best products, together we deliver joy, connectivity and security for our everyday lives. But also we want to make things simple. As you all know, that is almost impossible today due to the growing complexity of technology, especially for the smart home. So one of the things we believe always will be true. Technology will continue to get more and more capable, but also it will be more and more complex. Additionally, it is important to differentiate smart product and smart home system. So today we have more and more smart products in the home. And what that does, it just brings additional complexity to our lives. From other side, clients want less complexity. And that is where we step up. So we are here to make things easy for our end customers. There was a time when it was easy to plan for technology, but now there's so many differences in what they can do. So it is very difficult to fully design and integrate all the technology in the home. So I will talk now about the framework of thinking about how we can bring smart technology to our clients. We call this 5 levels of the smart home or evolution of the smart home. And let's talk about each of these 5 levels now. So in this evolution of the smart home, level 1 is traditional home. Many people still live in the home like this. It is with 0 connected devices. It is home where owner needs to, or any family member needs to stand up and manually switch lights on and off. Or if they want to change the temperature, they have to do on the main board, usually on the wall. So technology or products doesn't understand if there are people in the home or outside. There is no possibility to remotely connect to these devices and make changes. So nothing is smart in this level 1 home. Level 2 home has what we call piecemeal of the smart home. Usually that is 1 to 3 smart devices, so it gives ability of the comfort. For example, owner on the way to the home, they can turn on air condition. So at the time they get in, temperature is already acceptable. But the issue here is these products do not work together. They not communicate together. When we talk about smart home technology, many people confuse smart device for the home with the actual smart home system. So the big question is, what makes one device smart? Is it if there is application and you can connect with that application to that product, make some changes? Is it if its product is connected to the internet? Or device is smart, it can communicate with other products in the same system? So there is a lot of discussion and conversation, what is smart product? However, there is important difference between piecemeal smart products like Nest or Amazon Echo or Ring and the whole home system like it is Control4. This leads us to level 3 in this evolution of the smart home. With every single upgrade, we come to the level 3 home with limited integration. Partially integrated home means that the home has a combination of few limited devices that can connect and work together. Let's say Amazon Echo and Nest thermostat. You can connect those 2 devices and you can, through Echo, you can set the temperature. But it is impossible to make a scene together with these 2 products and other third party. End customers today they like to have scenes. They want to press one button and, for example, set the temperature level, dim the lights to 20%, close the shades, and movie start, just with one press of the button. These devices don't do that because of their limited integration capabilities. So, as you can already figure out, level 3 home is with DIY products. Do it yourself today, it's very popular. People like to play with that, but there are a lot of issues and concerns with DIY. So let me tell you a little more about that. We talked with people who have DIY products in their home. So we asked them about their concerns, about the issues they have. Number 1, the first thing what they say is the size increase complexity. If they have 1 or 2 products, it can be fun. But if increase the number of the DIY product, increase the complexity. Additional thing is, even they can make a lot of products, a lot of DIY products work together, but those products are from different manufacturers. They are not produced to work perfectly with each other. So it happens that working system overnight, few products get updated automatically, and then in the morning, owner or family member find out that nothing is working. Why? Because one product upgraded automatically without knowing of the homeowner, and that is happening. So these products are from different manufacturers. It is very important to have one platform, and if it's possible, every single product to be from the one manufacturer. Additional issues we heard from the owners with DIY in their homes, it's too many applications. They need almost application for every single product. It is nightmare to do the scene or to have more features, more actions at once. Too many remotes. Then additionally, privacy and security becomes a serious question. But probably the number one issue for these owners or the family members is this solution. It is not for every single family member. Kids cannot use it. Older people cannot use it. Even middle-aged people without technical knowledge, it's very difficult for them to go to the separate applications and control the system. So the whole point, and what these owners find out in the end, professional is the way to go. Number one request from end customers is personalization. They want professional to come and install professional products and configure the house regarding their needs and their requirements. We got a lot of different requests from the end customers. So this is number one, but right after that, related to personalization as well, is when professionals leave the house, when they start living in the smart home, they want to have control as well. They want to make some little tweaks. For example, to add light to existing scene, to make new lighting scene, or to put on the top of the list favorite radio station. So with our platform, with our infrastructure, we can provide this to the end customers. So even if it is professional system, we give them opportunity to make their life easier with each and every step without calling professional for every single small thing. As you can figure out, level 3 home is not for customers like this. So that leads us to level 4. Level 4 home is what we call today state of the art. It is something what is the best what you can find in the market. Fully integrated home. Every single product, and doesn't matter, it can be part of entertainment or security or comfort and even lighting. Every single product can work together as a single system. Thousands of the devices, they can work together under one platform. Another aspect of level 4 home is ability for everyone, for every family member to use it. So it must be user-friendly. Kids, older people, people with less knowledge about technology, they all need to use it. They need one remote to control the whole house, or one touchscreen, or one app. So level 4 home as the best in the class, or the state of the art, needs to connect everything in the home, needs to provide the family with the choice. So every third-party products family prefers to have in the home needs to be integrated into this system. Needs to be simple to use, and finally needs to be installed, configured, and maintained by professionals. Level 4 home is where we are today. This is what Control4 can provide. So best in the class and state of the art. So if this is something what is best today, what is level 5? Level 5 is the future. This is next step in evolution of the smart home. This is something we all expect it to come sooner or later. It is predictive and proactive home. These homes can offer suggestions based on the homeowner preferences. They learn routine of the family, the wake up, or when they're leaving the home, when they're returning, or bedtime, what actions they do with the house, and then let's say machine learning, they find the routine, what they're doing, and offer scenes which will help during their living, but also enrich their life in the smart home. We and other tech companies are trying to get there. There's still a lot of work to be done, but I expect soon we should see some of these features available to our end customers. This is not science fiction. Just remember that maybe 5 years ago, we watched on the movie that people can control the house with voice control. Today, this is reality. So this is something we can expect soon. So this was the 5 level of the smart homes. Today, you can find houses in the 4 levels, in the first 4 levels. Level 5 of the smart home is the future. But in order to be ready for the level 5, we need to have level 4. We as a Control4, we are here with a solution, the best products on the market, the best people capable to install this, to offer level 4 home and be ready for the future. Thank you.